Number 110. So number analogy, 2:8 as 7 is to blank. Okay, so number analogy tayo. So magkaiba ito sa ratio and proportion. Okay, so 2:8, kukunin natin yung pattern as 7 is to blank. So rewrite lang natin 2:8 and then 7 is to blank. So ano yung pwedeng maging pattern natin? 2 naging 8. So ano yung ginawa? Yung 2 naging 8 times 4 lang yan. 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. So pag tinry natin dito, yung 7, kapag times 4 yung pattern, 7 times 4, so that is equal to 28. So dahil nasa choices, malamang yan na yung answer natin. Kasi nasa choices yung 28. So kapag wala sa choices, try tayong humanap ng iba pang pattern. Okay, so yun yung pinaka-basic multiplication lang dahil 2 naging 8 times 4 lang. So try lang yon. 7 times 4, 20. Follow for more.